Yeah. Niggas wanna make disses, they ain't never put shit up behind this shit though. Niggas know how I get. Little 60. Fuck it.
Extra.
Yeah, me and Mari backseat with PD Glocks and Bodybags.
Yeah.
Anyways, I took to that boat, that's why these niggas mad. Draco posted all on IG Live until he went out screaming. Fuck a 21, I'm smoking candy, this shit got me mad. Fuck it, nigga, we posted on F, anything swing through, shoot through the glass. Screaming drinks and low money got caught up in traffic, that got that nigga bad. Niggas capping, no we don't fold no terror, we catch him outside, we gon' do him bad. Niggas loafing, know that I catch him on F, I don't make no calls, I'ma get him tagged myself, nigga. Yeah, and that's just how shit go. Me and Leak, we posted with 2 fullies, but y'all knew that though. Fuck it, 10 mils to his dreads, it turning red, and now Leak whooping. Niggas only posted on that F when Draco but he can't save y'all though.
Think you nigga from being out for, I don't give a fuck how much he on the list.
Hey, like, know what happened when he touched that boat, like we ain't tapping. Kim got hit all in his head, that nigga dead, like he don't know we Kyrie got bucked for his pipe, that shit ain't right, but go click up for wins. Me and Mari backseat with PD Glocks and Bodybags. Anyways, I took to that boat, that's why these niggas mad. Draco posted all on IG Live until he went outside. Screaming fuck a 21, I'm smoking candy, this shit got me mad.